Hi, and welcome to the second lecture of Django Rest API app development. And what we are going to do in this lecture is we are going to install some of the tools which we need. So the first thing is that we have to install Python, and we will go into the python.org. We will download the latest package for Mac OS. Let's download it. So once it is downloaded, we will install that. It's very easy. You just have to continue the steps and then you will be able to install it. So here is our screen, and let's just continue, agree, install. Will ask your password. Once okay, so now 3.8. I already had installed Python 3.7. you can see Python 3.7 as well. And the IDE which we are going to use is the Pycharm. It's very easy. You can just download it from Pycharm. And from here you can download the professional edition, because in the community edition you can only use the Python. You cannot make Django application within the community version, so you have to download the professional edition. I had already downloaded that, and now I'm going to use that one. So if you will go over here, you can see here. Also, I have installed the Python 3.7 version for our Django REST API. If you want to download the 3.8, you can also go there and you can also download that. So you will go over here, you will see the all releases, and from here you can see the 3.7.7, and you can just download it. It is the same way as so you can download that. The third thing which I would ask you to download is the tower. So if you will search this is Git tower. You can download that. I have already downloaded it, so I can open that, and you can see over here you can get started. It's free. Yeah, so I don't want to install this version right now, so I have already installed that. Once you have done the installation of this, you have to download the POSTGRESQL as well. So here you can download that. I will show you all the steps how I downloaded this and how I configure this with my own application. So when you will go over here, you will see two versions of the Python. Okay, this is Python 2.7, and if I can latest version hyphen. If you want to see the other version, you can just see it by Python space hyphen. Let me click this. Python space hyphen version to show you Python 2.7. If I want to see Python 3.8, the 3 version of the Python, then you have to see Python 3 space hyphen version. It will show you Python 3.8.2. Stay by with me. So now we are going to install PostgreSQL. You have to go into the postresql.org. You have to download the latest SQL for the Mac. Here you will see, you can click on Mac OS, download the installer, and you can download the latest version for the Mac. Allow. Now it is downloading the DMG file. Once the download is complete, you can start the DMG. You will press skip and you will install the installer. You double click on the installer and open it and enter your password. So here is the installer. Click next, enter your password which you want to access the database. Next. It will install the PostgreSQL. By default, we get the SQLite installed through the Pycharm, but we are going to use the PostgreSQL for our database. The PostgreSQL is one of the best database for the enterprise and the medium level applications. So it will take one more minute. Click finish. Now you can go into the application and you can start the PostgreSQL. The server is started, it is running. You can see server settings. 5431 is the port. I have disabled automatically startup. Now you can search PostgreSQL and you can start. So now the server is up and running. After that, you can go into the browser and you can open pgadmin4. It will be located into your applications folder in the Mac. So you can see the server is running. You can see the servers. I am quitting this. You can search again pgadmin. Command and tab will open the search bar in the Mac. So now you can see it is running. You can see the database in the servers. You will have to enter the password which you entered at the installation time. Save password. Go into the database. Here we will create our another database which will be used for the Twitter API. So that is Twitter REST API is the database which we are going to use in our project for the REST API. So now the Twitter API is done. We will configure it in our next videos. Thank you so much for looking the video. Bye.